This video is about other matrix calculations. First of all, how do we figure out how to add or subtract two matrices? So in a previous video, we entered matrix A, a 3 by 4 matrix. Let's go back to edit, because if I'm adding, I have to have the same size matrices. So a 3 by 4, and I'm happy with those numbers. Let's enter the rest of them using enter. And now we quit the matrix environment again. Matrix A plus matrix B. And it will give us the addition of the two matrices. The next thing that I could do with the matrix operation, I can multiply two matrices the same way. So let's see, I have matrix that is 3 by 4, and I have a matrix that is 3 by 4. I cannot do the matrix multiplication on that. Let's change the second matrix dimension to 4 times 2 instead. So go to edit again, matrix 2, and we want 4 times 2. And let's say I'm happy with these values. I'm entering a few more, quitting the matrix environment, back to matrix environment, A, then B, and it gives me the multiplication of the two. Is this true for scalar multiplication? Yes, it's true for scalar multiplication. Is this true for inverse? Yes, inverse can be done using that. So the next thing that I want to do is to enter matrix of coefficients for this system and matrix of constants for this system into two different matrix names in my calculator. Then I have a little knowledge that the matrix of coefficients here is actually non-singular. So I'm going to find the inverse of that and multiply by the matrix of constants. So the matrix of coefficients is 3, 5, 2, 2, 0, negative 2, 1, 5, 5. Matrix of, or vector of constant is 15, 10, and 3. Now, in my calculator, and I clear everything out, I go to the first, I go to edit, and I enter, I need a 3 by 3 first. So I enter that one, 3, 5, 2, 2, 0, negative 2, 1, 5, 5. I quit the environment, come back to environment, go to edit, and this time B. B, I want to be a 3 by 1. And 15 for the first one, 10 for the second one, and 3 for the third one. Now, how I want to find x1, x2, x3 is by multiplying the inverse of matrix of coefficients by the vector of constants. So that's what I'm going to do. Matrix A inverse matrix B and multiply. So x1 is 3, x2 is 2, and x3 is negative